Hi guys, good day and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will be cutting a lab coat for a 4 years old. So this is a trouser length material. Basically, if I'll be measuring this, I'll be having about 1.5 yard. It's it's not far from 1.5 yard. So what I'll do is I'm going to fold it. This is the front. So I'll fold it into two and cut the back side first. So to cut out the lap folds, I'm going to take the length of the dress first off. The length is, I have over here 22 inches for the length, but I'll be making it 30. Now from here, I'm going to measure the shoulder measurement. I'll take about 6 inches. I'll come here. I'll take about 5 inches. And I'm just going to connect all the way down. So for the bodies, I have about 12, which is 24, which is okay for me. So I'll go ahead to cut this out. I'll take the neck measurement. So for the length, I have 28 inches. For the shoulder, I took about 6 inches. The armhole is 5 inches, and the round body is 12 inches. So I'll take the neck. For the neck, I'll be making use of 2 inches by 1 inch. So I'll go ahead to cut it out like this. Then I'll not give that shoulder slope. I'll come down by ½ inch and I'll connect as well. So the back side is ready. We'll go ahead to cut out the front side. For the front, I'll also be folding this into two as well, just like this. I'll take it inward. Then I'll place this back side on the front. So for the buttonholes, I'm leaving about 2 inches. So I'm also going to measure it to be sure it's 2 inches. Measure here is 2 inches. I'll go ahead to cut it out. So after cutting this out, I will come down by 2 inches. So let's say I'll come down by 2.5 from this shoulder side. I'll just measure 2.5, something like this. Then I'll go ahead to connect it. I'll give that straight line like this. So from this side, I'll make it straight. After cutting this one straight, then I'm going to give that slant from here to the neckline. Now this is what I have. I'll fold it over like this and I'll notch. So this will help me know the midpoint. Now I'm going to open this side. We're done with the bodies of the coat. We are going to cut out the sleeve. This is what I have left. To cut the sleeve is 13 inches long, and over here I have about 16 inches, which is okay for me. So I'm just going to be folding it into two. just like this, and I am going to cut it out.
I'll show you guys some pictures for you to see the outcome. That's all for the drafting process of this tutorial. I hope this was helpful. You could cut out the collar and do your buttonholes, and with that the lab coat is complete. Thank you guys, and if you've watched up to this extent, please do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to join the team. Have a good day. Bye.